black screen but your phone is still on? That's one of the most frustrating issues and most people don't know the real fix. In today's video, I'll show you how to bring your Android phone back to life step by step. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first reason could be simply that the battery is 0% or near 0%. So what you can do is simply bring a charging cable and make sure your phone's charging port is clean and has no debris blocking the port. Plug the phone in and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes and see if the screen turns on after the battery gets some charge. Next, you can try to do a forced restart on your phone. Sometimes there's an issue with the software within the phone, so doing a forced restart will reboot the phone and turn your screen on. To do this, simply press and hold the volume button and power button for about 10 to 15 seconds and you will see the Android logo and your screen coming back on. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.